Hey everybody, it is Friday, July 29th, and I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but there has been some exciting news on the tax front, on the relief front, on the, a lot of things going on in some different states I want to take a look at this week. And so over the next couple weeks, I'm going to be making some videos on some exciting things going to be happening. Beginning today, I'll look at what's going on in Massachusetts, my home state. Late last night, our governor, Charlie Baker, just signed a tax relief bill, meaning millions of Massachusetts residents are going to be receiving another round of state stimulus checks. I also was looking into Florida. I see some Florida stimulus checks going out. There's going to be some state-issued stimulus checks going out around the country. So we're going to take a look at some of that stuff and break down who's going to be getting the relief, how much people will be getting, and estimates of when people can expect it. So for Massachusetts specifically, on Thursday, Governor Charlie Baker made the announcement that he signed a tax relief bill that was passed by the state legislature. It is going to include more than $2.5 billion of tax relief. And basically, the governor said that tax relief checks will be going out to Massachusetts residents as early as September. So in Massachusetts, the people receiving these rebates will be those that in the tax year for 2021, which is the tax year that everyone filed this past year. Any single filer that earned between $38,000 and $100,000 will receive a $250 rebate check. And then couples, married taxpayers who filed jointly and made a maximum of $150,000 will receive a $500 rebate check. There is no extra money for children in this plan. However, as part of the bill, when they passed this bill, they actually passed the bill last Thursday. Governor Baker signed it this Thursday. They did raise the child tax credit for the tax year. So next year, when Massachusetts filers do their taxes, their child tax credit will go from $180 to $310 per child. So they raised it $130 per child. That's a big increase, not quite double, but probably about 70% or so. The earned income tax was raised. So in Massachusetts, we typically get, for earned income credit, we get 30% of whatever the federal is. They raised it to 40%. So just as an example, if your earned income credit was $1,000 for federal, in Massachusetts now you would get $400 as a earned income credit. They raised the rental deduction, which before the cap, the most you could claim as a rent deduction was $3,000. Now you can claim up to $4,000 per year. So what's happening in Florida? About a week or two ago, I noticed a story popped up about Florida issuing inflation relief payments. And so apparently Florida Governor Ron DeSantis announced that up to 59,000 families will be receiving a one-time $450 check per child to help offset the cost of inflation. Close to 60,000 Florida families should have received letters earlier in July to alert them of these $450 payments. So who qualifies for these inflation relief checks? Well, to be eligible for these inflation relief checks, the Florida family must be a foster parent, relative, or non-relative caregiver, be a participant in the Guardian Assistance Program or in the Temporary Assistance for Needy Families Program, also known as TANF. Roughly 59,000 families do qualify for this. Those checks are expected to go out between starting the end of this week and up through the middle of August. Other states that I've read about that might be getting relief payments would be California approved a $1,500 inflation relief payment. That's going to go to about 23 million taxpayers in California. Those payments will go actually up to $1,500. It would be between $200 to $1,500 per family. It's aimed at the middle class, and they haven't really talked too much about who's getting them and when yet. As of now, it's kind of like the last round of stimulus payments. You can't be single and make over 75,000, or married and make over 150,000, and like other than that, the timetable that California is giving is kind of vague. They're thinking maybe sometime in October all the way up to January 2023. So, I mean, if you're in California and you're going to be looking out for those relief payments, might be coming a little late. California apparently is dragging their feet on it for people. So if you were hoping for some relief in California, it is coming. It's just going to take some time. I'll keep my eye out and look through some of the other states and see what's going on. And if anything catches my eye or seems newsworthy, I will do update videos. I also plan on doing another video about what's been going on with me, why I've been kind of on the low lately, not making videos. I do hope to start getting more active with the channel and putting more news and content out there for everybody, so please stay tuned. Please keep a lookout. If you find my information helpful and useful, feel free to like and subscribe. Until next time, I hope everybody has a great week.